So this is what I have served my ugali with, and I welcome all of you. Guys, kuma. Hi guys. Statue. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscription button down there. As you can see, our ingredients are ready, and we will need our fish here, coriander, green pepper or capsicum, the onions here, tomatoes, garlic, our garlic there, our roiko, our curry powder, turmeric, coconut milk, tomato paste, and of course some salt to taste. So let's jump straight into the process and let's cook. So first of all, we'll need oil. So we'll put oil into the pan. Oh, my pot is burning. Just use the used oil that I usually use there. Then I'll add onions, of course. So share your thoughts. Let me know how you cook yours, in case you see how this comes out. And please stay tuned as we cook. Make sure the onions, all of them, you stir the onions until they get to be soaked in the oil. The reason why I'm using too much onion is because I love onions. Now add tomatoes. So now our onions are ready. What we'll add is garlic, then our roiko here, curry powder, all the ingredients to put before adding the fish and before continuing the process. Immediately after the onions are ready. Yeah, then you start. So I won't add salt to this point because I have added roiko, and you know if you put roiko, it's usually salty. So what I'll do next is that I'll add tomato paste to it. So then I'll stir. Now I'll increase my fire a bit. So the next thing I'll do from here is just to put some little water to soften it. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is how it looks, guys. share, comments down there. Let me know what you think about this. And subscribe. How many times will I tell you that? If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. So that actually cuts this stage. So I will cover it to make it soft and then it continue. Kanungo, 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 kanungo weteko. So guys, as it continues to get ready, I'll add some, I'll add the green pepper to it. Hey! Guys! Nanguka, bahati mbaya. This is how we do it. You see, soft already. How you do it? We're almost there, guys. Share your thoughts down there in the comment section. Let's see what you think about this. Or how do you cook your fish? Have you learned something? Ama bado ngoje corona iishe. Yeah, so I'll cover it a bit. Then I will now add my. So guys, at this point is when I will pour the coconut. Tell me your thoughts about this, what you think, and let me know down there. Ooh la la, mashallah. That's enough. Then I add my coriander to this flour. So I've not put any salt because first of all, the thing I have tasted it. Yeah, I have tasted and I don't think there's need for me to add salt, but for different you can add on your side. Yeah, so there goes my fish and ooh la la, it's ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. But no, I am welcoming you. Let's have some food. So this is how it looks. So this is what I have served my ugali with, and I welcome all of you. Yeah, this is the food now. Since I stay alone, I don't have anyone to comment on my food. I will see how it tastes. I'll taste for you guys. I told you, you are welcome. So don't shy away. Atukwangi wachoyo hapa. Mbona nakawia? It's nice. You guys should try this. My stomach versus my plate. Oh, I enjoyed that, and I'm sweating. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you also try this at home, and I can guarantee you, if you have followed the steps correctly, you will honestly get a good result. So don't forget to share your thoughts down there, what you think, what you have done about it, and if you're going to try it out. So bye bye, until next time. See you when you see me. Stay blessed and please subscribe. Thank you very much.